Big one right here. I think there's marching up the tree. This one here has already split its skin. It's getting ready to emerge.
How many?
Quite a few on this tree.
Can you show me where they're at on the ground? Are they all over out here too?
I don't know about there, but they're right here. Look at this. You can see them march across the ground. See that?
Wow, yeah.
This one's coming out right here.
Alright. That is so cool.
Wings are unfurling. See, it's moving.
I think it's going to start getting noisy tomorrow.
Yeah, I bet. I know.
You can put the quads away now?
In a little bit, yeah.
Huh? What?
In a little bit.
Not yet?
Yeah, not yet.
Okay. Well, I'm going in then. When you're ready to do it, just let me know.
Big one right there. Things are just everywhere. Look at them, there's everywhere.
Michael, you can close up the chickens?
Not yet.
Can I get you to do that?
Yeah.